Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as liver. Liver is one of the organs in the body that helps us to survive. We're going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, which of the following organs is responsible for bile production? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Lung. In this question, the correct answer is B. Liver. So liver is an organ that helps in production of bile. Bile is a greenish substance that helps in food digestion, and studies have shown that if bile is not released into the small intestine for food digestion, there will be some problems in the body system. So that bile is produced by an organ known as the liver. The next question says, the process whereby the liver converts toxic substances in the body into harmless substances is best described as dash. A. Detoxification. B. Dropsy. C. Diuresis. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Detoxification. So this detoxification is the process of converting harmful substances in the body into harmless substances by an organ known as liver. So through this organ, the poisons that are there in the human system will be removed. The next question says, the pH of bile produced by the liver is dash in nature. A. Acidic. B. Alkaline. C. Neutral. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Alkaline. Well, research have shown that this chemical substance called bile that helps in digestion is alkaline in nature. Scientists have done tests. Scientists have tested this bile and discovered that it is alkaline naturally. The next question says, the process whereby the liver removes amino group from amino acids and converts it to harmless substance is called dash. A. Deamination. B. Amination. C. Photolysis. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Deamination. So this deamination is the process used by the liver in removing amino group from amino acid. We know that amino acid helps the body in different ways, but studies have shown that excess amino acids are not stored in any part of the body. Excess amino acids are harmful to the body. So what the liver do is that when the level of amino acid becomes so high, the liver will remove the amino group, which is very harmful to the body, and convert it to harmless substance known as urea before the kidney excretes it finally. So that process whereby this harmful parts of amino acid known as the amino group is converted to harmless substance known as urea by the liver is called deamination. The next question says, the bile produced by the liver is stored in the dash. A. Pancreas. B. Heart. C. Gallbladder. D. Kidney. In this question, the correct answer is C. Gallbladder. So the bile produced by the liver is stored naturally in a bag-like substance known as gallbladder. The gallbladder is attached to the liver, just below the liver. So this gallbladder contains the bile and the bile stays there. The next question says, which of the following is not a liver disorder? A. Diabetes mellitus. B. Liver cirrhosis. C. Hepatitis. D. Bronchitis. In this question, the correct answer is D. Bronchitis. Other options such as A, B, C are liver diseases, but bronchitis is a respiratory disease. We have already treated respiratory system in one of our videos. The next question says, a condition whereby the glucose level in the body system is high due to the inability of the liver to metabolize them is best described as dash. A. Hypoglycemia. B. Hyperglycemia. C. Bacterial resistance. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Hyperglycemia. This hyperglycemia is a situation, is a condition whereby the sugar level in the blood becomes high due to the inability of the liver to metabolize those sugars. We are not saying that the inability of the liver to metabolize sugar is the only factor that can cause glycemia. There are many other factors that can cause glycemia apart from the inability of the liver to metabolize this excess sugar in the body system. The next question says, a condition whereby the glucose level in the body system is too low due to the inability of the liver to metabolize them is best described as dash. A. Hypoglycemia. B. Hyperglycemia. C. Bacterial resistance. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Hypoglycemia. So when the sugar level in the body is too low, we call that condition hypoglycemia. So if anything goes wrong in the liver may find it difficult to metabolize the sugar in the body, because one of the functions of the liver is that it regulates glucose level. So a situation whereby the glucose level is too low due to the inability of the liver to metabolize them is called hypoglycemia. We still have other factors that can cause hypoglycemia apart from the inability of the liver to metabolize glucose. The next question says, the red blood cells of a fetus are formed in the dash. A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Lung. D. Ear. In this question, the correct answer is B. Liver. Research has shown that the red blood cells of a fetus or embryo are formed in the liver, but the red blood cells of an adult human being are formed in the bone marrow. So a baby in the womb or a fetus in the womb lives or stays in the womb, but the red blood cells of that fetus or that embryo are formed in this important organ known as the liver. When the fetus or when the baby is born, the baby will keep on growing until the baby now have strong bones where production of red blood cells will take place. The next question says, the following cause hepatitis except dash. A. Viral infection. B. Poison. C. Drug abuse. D. Hair color. In this question, the correct answer is D, hair color. Hepatitis is one of the diseases of the liver, and hepatitis is just inflammation or swelling of the liver. Our research have shown that there are different factors that can cause hepatitis. These factors include viral infection, poison, drug abuse, etc. So option D is the option that does not cause hepatitis. The next question says, in animals, excess sugar is stored as dash in the liver. A, maltose. B, starch. C, glycogen. D, none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C, glycogen. So in animals, excess sugar is stored as glycogen in the liver and also in the muscle. The next question says, the production of glycogen in the liver is called dash. A, glycogenesis. B, lipid metabolism. C, replication. D, none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A, glycogenesis. So this glycogenesis is the process used by the liver in production of glycogen. If today is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics in biology. We have already released different videos where we treated many topics to make biology easy for all lovers of this biology.